Hello Papyrus Pals. Today I have a blind box unboxing. I have 3 of them, have not opened them yet. Figured we could do it together. It is Mindful Monday after all, and I am a Snoopy lover, and this is only my second blind box ever. My first one I did at my birthday with my friend, and this one is going to be another fun one. So let's see, I have 3. We'll open them up together and see what we got. Anybody want to guess which one this might be? Any other Snoopy lovers out there? Let me know in the comments. Oh, we have a little bit of our cute Snoopy ephemera there too. Let's see what we have. Oh, there's something in the top part here. Must be a 2-part series here. Okay, so I'm thinking we have an artist one because I have a little Woodstock. That's probably going to be, I don't know. Let's look. Maybe I can't figure it out. Oh, how cute. Yes, Snoopy is painting Woodstock. How adorable is that? You guys, these are really nice. They're nice plastic. Okay, so that's one. Over there. Let's go for our second. Hopefully we get no duplicates. This is not the same one, I can tell right now. Let's see which one this is. Keep one of these for ephemera. This one's still intact. We'll keep this one. Oh, how cute. Snoopy and the donut. This one. Yep. Let's see what they're called. Is there a name to them? I don't know. No, you can just collect them all and check them off. So that one's cute. That's going to be tea, not coffee. Okay, and then the last one. Let's see. Fingers crossed, no duplicates. Okay, well, it's not that one, which is good. Oh, I think it's the same one. I think it's the same one as that one. Yes, it is. So we got 2 the same, but that's okay. Oh, this one has a little mark on it. Look at, there's a little mark right there. So we got 2 the same from these really cute Snoopy blind boxes. Mindful Monday. So we have 2 of those and one of those. Oh, we're missing something. Hold on. I guess there's something else in here. Ah, a little Woodstock. So I think the Woodstock goes in there, maybe? No. Yes. Okay, so this goes this way. This way. Okay, and then this goes in there, but doesn't want to stay at all. Okay, there we go. So that is how that goes. That is adorable. They're going to go up on my shelf. So that's it. So Walmart, $9.99. Get them while they last. Have a good day, guys. Bye.